Hey, lovely and amazing Sianmites, you're most welcome back to yet another new video. Yes, in this video, I am going to teach you how to clean your flat iron. As you can see, my flat iron is dirty. Yes, and I need to clean it such that my clothes do not get burnt. So come along with me, like this video, share it out to your friends and family. If you find it important, let's go and see the magic behind cleaning the flat iron. Yes. So first of all, I'll plug it into the switch. Then I'll turn it to maximum and I ensure that it is hot. Yes, I will need my flat iron hot such that the magic can work. Okay, so I'm just testing. Then voila, can anyone guess what I'm going to use? Yes, as you can see, there is medicine there. That's Panadol. Do I have headache? No, I don't have, lovely people. That is the magic right there. I'm going to use Panadol to clean my flat iron. Yes, I'm going to use the Panadol. So it depends on how dirty your flat iron is. So mine is not really very dirty, so I'm going to only use one. Yes, I'm going to get one tablet and I'm going to use tissue because remember I put my iron pass to maximum, so it is hot. So I'm going to use Panadol, one tablet, and my tissue. Let's go out and start and see how the magic works. So that's my flat iron right there. So I'll just place the Panadol on it and I'll use my tissue to just rub around it. You can see it's bringing out some smoky. Yes, it's smoking up, guys. So yeah, just rub it, rub. I'm just going to move the Panadol around, move around, and all the dirt is going to get stuck on the Panadol and on the tissue. So let's continue. Yes. So guys, I just finished cleaning my purse with Panadol. Yeah, with Panadol. Leave it down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing content.